Wow.
สวัสดีเจ้าทุกคน歡迎大家收睇側田有你ถึงแล้วไหมกินแล้วไหมไม่กินหรอไม่หิวหรอกินเลย如果你哋今日睇到我呢一個GF 嘅話就知道我今日會同大家分享80年代美國用嘅黐喺牆壁嘅呢個 wireless 嘅 handheld phone OK 所以如果你哋有啲咩問題想問關於今日嘅呢個主題，你哋可以留低呢個口述我俾我聽 OK So today I will be talking about American 80s wireless stick on the wall phone okay so if you have any question regarding on today's topic you may leave down a message below and let me know I'll answer your question I'll give you guys like 1 minute time then we will proceed OK 係啦今日嘅最近啲天氣就係好彷彿熱嘅時候又就好熱啦咁凍嘅時候又好凍啦所以有時凍到係咪我一下唔記得咗朝頭早飲太多水咗要趕住去廁所太凍咗所以一定要控制下飲水嗰個 volume 係啦所以俾大家1分鐘嘅時間 OK 可以開始啦所以首先咧我要講下咧就係其實喺80年代尾或者90年代初咧喺馬來西亞其實係好唔流行咁樣嘅呢一個黐喺牆壁嘅呢個wireless phone 嘅咁通常呢一樣嘢咧係美國就好興啦佢哋好中意黐喺個廚房度啦係佢哋就比較中意之前黐喺嗰個廚房度啦係啦 so 呢度就唔興啦咁如果係話香港嘅話咧咁香港其實咧就比較興嗰啲 rotary 嘅即係嗰啲轉嘅電話咁我嗰個年代咧我其實我見到嘅咧我其實又唔係見到嗰個80年代人哋香港興嘅轉嘅電話係咁樣拎上嚟嘅我睇到嘅已經係點樣講改變版之前講已經係升級版嘅就係我90年代初我都仲有用到呢一個 rotary phone 嘅只不過佢哋已經改咗成係好似少少摩登啲嘅設計咁嗰個轉嘅地方都係喺隔離嘅啫咁嗰個轉嘅地方係喺隔離嘅咁我就咁拎上嚟啦咁老實講我就冇用過咁嘅一個黐喺牆壁電話咁我淨係有用過rotary 嘅 phone 轉嘅 phone 但係咧係要即是摩登嘅設計咁樣拎上嚟嘅所以如果呢個咧就係我對於呢一個90年代初嘅一個 rotary phone 嘅一個印象咧之前係比較摩登啲嘅設計㗎啦，我就冇用過呢隻。如果你哋有用過呢隻，你哋可以話俾我聽 ，OK？ 所以今日咧我都唔希望要阻大家太多嘅時間，所以我分享住咁多先。如果你哋有啲咩故仔或者係你哋真係有用過呢一種電話嘅話，你哋可以話俾我聽 ，OK？So today I'm not going to talk too much, so I will just briefly talk about it. So actually, I don't really have that opportunity to use this kind of stick phone in Malaysia because usually I saw it in American. Usually they will stick on. They will stick in the kitchen so that they can be able to pick up the phone. Even though the phone they have been put it at the dining room or living hall, so they can be able to grab it in the kitchen as well. But we don't usually use this kind of phone. I still remember that I did use during the 90s I did use the rotary phone but it's a modern kind of rotary phone which is like the rectangle shaped one I have to pick up over here and then I still need to I still need to roll the thing okay so I don't have any opportunity to use this one so I did use the rotary one only So if you have any story regarding on this phone or the rotary modern kind of food, you may leave a message below and let me know. Okay, I think that's all I will share with you guys, so I won't be taking up your time that much. So if you have any other topic or any new topic that you would like me to share on my next live, you may just leave down your message below and let me know. So 今日咧就同大家講住咁多噶啦，咁我哋下一個禮拜再見噶啦噃，ขอบคุณมากครับ，เจอกันแล้วทุกคน